Hi everyone, welcome to tutorial on live script in MATLAB. At once you click MATLAB icon, this is the window will appear where normally you create coding on this script. Here, if you type your coding here, output goes to command window. If you are using plot function here, then separate window will open to showcase the plot. In live script, both plot and output are shown adjacent to the code. Now let us discuss how to use MATLAB live script. Close this, open new live script. I want to create a number between 1 to 10 in steps of 1. I am running this code. The result appears adjacent to the code. Now I am writing the function x is equal to t square. Whenever I make a change on this code, these lines will appear. Again you run this code. Have a look at this. X value 1 cross 10 is displayed here, which is t square. If I click it here on this first line, the corresponding output is highlighted. Similarly on second line, the corresponding output is highlighted. If I put semicolon here, now see this, these lines are appeared since I made some change here. Now I can run this code. Only t output is shown but not x, since I provided semicolon. Then there is an option here in live editor to break the section. Here I am breaking the section here. Let me go for plot t comma x. Have a look at this. I manipulated something. I have to run this. It gives a plot adjacent to the code. This plot is actually between t and x. Further, I can include the title on this plot as x equal to t square. I can provide x label here. X label as t. And also I can provide y label. I made some changes, so again I have to run this code. See, it is showcasing some error here, which is also adjacent to the code. What is the error? Title. Now again run this. So have a look at the changes. X equal to t square and t here, x on y-axis. It is possible to get the relevant output adjacent to the code. Here we go. There are three options, namely output on right, that is what adjacent to the code. Then output is inline, that means output is below the respective code. Then third option is hide code. You can hide the code and see only the result on this code editor. There is an option to include text in live editor. Say for example, live editor demo is included in this coding environment. Again, I can use some text inside this coding environment, plotting function. If required, I can also use some equations here. Go to insert, equation. There is equation editor. You can select the required one. Y is equal to t square. Let's go to power is equation editor t squared. If you want to include any images, that is also possible in live editor. Say for example, I want to include some images below this live editor demo. go to insert, image. I have some image on download, I include it here. Have a look at this. Live editor has some images inside this one. You can resize as per the requirement. You can save this file, live demo desktop. You may close this file and again open the file. Let us see how the file looks like. Whatever the changes you made before closing this file, all those things available on this. It is not necessary to rerun the code and see the result. And then you can also convert this live script into normal script. Now have a look at this live demo.yum. This is ordinary yum file, ordinary script. Only codes are shown here. 3 lines of code only shown here. There is no result. If you want to create any documentation purpose, you can go for save, export it as a PDF document. I am exporting it as live demo. Save, open this live demo. There we go. Whatever the changes we made on editor, that could be seen here as a PDF format. Similarly, you can save it in HTML format, Word or LaTeX format. In case you are presenting MATLAB code, you can use live script, thereby you can make any changes. The corresponding result is shown on the right or in line. If you want to see this figure in a separate window, click on the figure, open in figure window. It will open the figure in a separate window.